Now that we've got our Firebase database set up, we can actually test this out in the website. So we're going to go back to our serverless workshop. We're going to go to lab 4. We're going to click into the website directory, JS, and we're going to copy this config file. Then we're going to go back, and we're going to go to lab 5. Going to go to website, JS. We're just going to paste this config file here so we don't have to enter it. And click on replace. The next thing that we want to do is go back to Firebase, click on project overview, then click on this add Firebase to your web app button here. This will open some config that allows you to add Firebase into your project. Now we just want to grab from var to the semicolon down here, and I'm just going to copy this. Next we're going to go back to our Finder, and we're just going to open this videocontroller.js file here. We're not going to explain this just yet, we just want to make sure that it's all working. So scroll down until you see a section that says paste config here. So I'm just going to copy all this, or select it rather, and then just paste over it. So this config section here allows our project to connect to our Firebase database. Make sure you save that file. And now we want to open a terminal in lab 5. Okay, so I've opened a terminal and you can see that I'm in the serverless workshop directory in the lab 5 directory. We're going to change into the website directory, and then we're going to run npm install to install all the website dependencies. Once that's all complete, we're going to start the website by typing npm start. Now we're going to go to the localhost. So go back to your browser, open a new tab, and type localhost 8100. Now we can see that we're still signed in from the last lesson, and now we've got this progress circle here. But what's it actually doing? This progress circle here is actually checking our Firebase database and waiting for videos to be added. We've provided some sample data, so we can actually see if this actually works or not. I'm just going to split my screen into two. Now that I've split my screen into two, you can see my Firebase console and the website. And this is going to show you the power of Firebase. Now that I've split my screen into two, you can see the Firebase console on the left and our website on the right. We're going to click on this hamburger menu here, and then click on Database. Click on the Real-Time Database Getting Started button, and we should see our database here. Currently there's no videos, which is exactly what we expect. Luckily, we've provided some sample data for you and some hosted videos as well. So click on the three dots, and then click on Import JSON. Click on the Browse button, and we're going to go back to our serverless workshop, go to Lab 5, Data, and select this Firebase sample data JSON file here. Now the beauty of Firebase is that it's actually a real-time WebSocket database. So we're not actually polling and asking the database all the time, do you have updates for us? It's actually got a connection directly to it, and Firebase is pushing information to our website. To see this in action, we're going to click on the Import button, and you can see that some data has already been loaded, with the thumbnails as well. That was super fast. If we actually have a look at what we've added, you can see that we've got some random IDs here, and if we open each one of these up, you can see that each one of them has a source and a transcoding tag or key. Just to show you that it's real time, we're going to change this and we're going to say fake site. Click enter, and we can see that we've actually lost the thumbnail of the bottom right video. We're going to change that back to GitHub. And the website's loaded the video again. Now we can also see that we've got this transcoding key here. And what this is used for is to tell the browser that if we're in a state of uploading a video and it's currently being transcoded or not. So if we change this to true, you can see that we've got this loading symbol here. We're just going to change that back to false. And the video source is back. Now you can play with this all you like. You can load your own videos if you have some, or if you've got some sources to other videos, or even if you delete one of the videos, you can even see that happen in real time too. We'll just delete a few, and there you go.